तो डब्बा आ चुका है दोस्तों, ये हमारा डब्बा। इसमें इसको हम अनबॉक्सिंग जल्दी से कर देते हैं। थोड़ा नॉन कन्वेंशनल है लेकिन किसे फ़र्क पड़ता है, हमें तो बस चाहिए ये वाला डब्बा। तो ये है दोस्तों सिग्नी का 10mm फिशआई लेंस। इसका फटाफट इसको भी अनबॉक्स कर देते हैं। और इसमें लिखा है सी विद सिग्नी, तो लेट्स सी इफ वी कैन सी विद सिग्नी। So the box looks pretty premium, feels pretty premium. I hope the product is too. Let's see. So this is the box. It's pretty rough textured, so you can probably hear it. So let's unbox it. So the lens comes in this case that you can carry around. We'll keep all this paperwork aside. It's nothing but, you know, other stuff from Signi. So the lens box itself looks pretty good quality to me so far. And this is the clip. This is the lens itself. We'll keep it aside for a moment. And this is the cleaning cloth. It's nice that they included a separate place in the box to keep this. I'm gonna keep it back here. And this here is the thing where we can attach this to bags and stuff. I'm just gonna put it right away because I'm gonna be carrying this box everywhere I go. Alright, so the lens itself, it's made from metal. I don't know if you can hear it. Oops. Okay, so this is, yeah, the top part also is metal. This is the lens itself. It's pretty, yeah, it's a lot bulged outwards. Let me see if I can get in focus. Yeah, I can get in focus. Yeah, the bulge is there, definitely there. Looks pretty cool. Let's see if it performs well as well. This is the back cover. Yeah. Alright, so let me just plug it onto this. So this is the same, yeah, my camera has not moved. So this is the same place where it was that time too. Wait, let me just adjust the lens. There is a bit of, okay, yeah, no, it's fine. Yeah, as you can see, I'm literally one finger distance away. I'm literally touching it, but it's so wide. It's pretty fun to play with. I'm just gonna remove it. This is how it is. Gonna put it again. Yeah. Over here.